Hello, everyone. Buckle up for crazy crashes and life-saving tips. Subscribe now to master safe driving while catching every wild moment. This is your crash course in road smarts you won't dodge. Even if the train hasn't rolled in yet, playing it safe keeps you clear of pointless risks. Never gamble your luck crossing those tracks. Trains don't mess around. A car burst into flames in Russia after the driver lost control. Talk about a fiery exit. Red means stop, folks. Don't test fate when the signals are screaming at you. Racing the rails like it's an F1 showdown? That's a fast track to the year's worst headline. A truck and car collided in France. Then the rig plowed into a house. Total wreckage. Despite a fire truck rushing to the scene, it was too late to stop the damage. Tough break. This young guy dodged a bullet thanks to a teacher with heart and a sharp eye. Some days, climbing the stairs feels like the universe is throwing punches your way. We're here to shine a light on the fallout when we ignore the rules. Stay woke, folks. GPS said go straight, but Hung didn't mention it'd steer him into an action movie plot twist. Holy smokes, what a scene! She glanced at her phone and rammed a parked car. Now she's facing charges for reckless driving and texting. The driver didn't catch it, but trust me, this could have been a whole lot uglier. Skip the texts and don't chance it at crossings. Keep it smart. A massive rig rear-ended a stopped truck on the federal highway. Bam! Instant pileup. Don't wait till the last second to brake. Keep your focus locked on the road ahead. This PCP rig pulled an unexpected drift. Call it an accidental masterpiece. Two cars smashed head-on at an intersection, Watch those crossroads, folks. But thankfully, no one's hurt, just a wild scare. That truck pulled a gutsy move. Too risky for you? Sound off in the comments below. Time to brush up on road manners, keep it chill, and play it cool out there. Light's still red, guys. Slow and steady wins. It's not worth the rush.
Get next to her.
Didn't he notice something off with his ride? Gotta stay sharp. Successful folks carve their own path, but this one's taking out every pole in sight. Oof, ouch. Where's your head at, buddy? Eyes on the road next time. That's today's wild ride with a safety twist. Want more lessons and thrills? Hit subscribe to stay sharp on the road. Share your safety hacks below. We're listening. See you next time for more smart driving action.